Alright, I got a couple odds and ends here today. I bought a new hose for the PCV valve. You see this one's pretty crushed right here at the where it loops. And let's see if we can get rid of that. Alright, that looks a lot better than what this was. It's just crushed right here. Alright, so that's done. Alright then, item number 2 is a hatch vent. This is going to go right on to here, and it's going to give you a gap of about 1.5 inches, 2 inches to let the air flow through. Air conditioner is broken and I'm not fixing it this year, so $30 for a hatch vent sounds like a good idea to me. Alright, there it is in all its glory. I put a little washer in there. Maybe you might need a slightly bigger one, but that's the one I got for the moment. Tighten this up back here, tighten this down back here. You'll see the lights are on in the interior and they should go off. Yep, there you go, lights are off. And you got about 2 nickels worth. That's probably a couple inches. Alright, we're going to do the skip shift eliminator. It's right here. Trying to get some perspective here because I'm looking right at the damn thing. It's this white one here. And we're going to put these guys on there and I'll be right back. Alright, so we've got these guys here installed, and this one just wants to hang down right by the exhaust and get all burnt up. So they give you some zip ties. If I can find it here, yeah. And there's a nice cord right there. I'm going to zip tie it too, so it stays off the exhaust. Alright, and there it is. It's zip tied to this cord here. Pretty much in the same location. And we should be off to the races. That's it. That's all I got for today. I'm going to get an alignment this afternoon, and we're going to call it a day.